What's up, y'all? This the boy. This is
the two Mukbang brothers.
Yeah, the two Mukbang brothers. No,
the two busy Mukbang brothers.
Yep, you know what I'm saying? And we got some deliciousness coming soon. Look,
coming soon, guys.
Look at his hand.
This is a mystery, man.
This is not no joke, man. Y'all stay tuned.
Stay tuned, guys.
You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? We got four. I mean, yeah, four.
Man.
Two each, you hear me? So we're gonna eat all of it on camera. You hear me?
Man.
Y'all put on everything. I'm for real gonna eat this one on camera. Y'all remember that? If y'all watch our last video, we told y'all we gonna drink the whole pot. We did not drink the whole pot because it's just ridiculous.
Yeah, it was ridiculous, man.
You know what I'm saying? But now y'all know what's going on, man. We got four, man.
We got 4 bags.
Y'all stay tuned to the next clip, man. Y'all know what I'm saying? We about to eat these noodles, you know what I'm saying? We got 4 of them. God. He get 2, I get 2. He got a fork, I got a fork. As you see, stop playing with me. Y'all see how it looks like? One has steak and stuff. We add some extra ones on this one.
We got some regular noodles right here.
So, y'all stay tuned, man. Next clip, let's eat. What's up, y'all? This is the two busy Mukbang brothers.
Brothers.
My name is Cameron.
My name is JC.
We gonna eat. You hear me?
Yeah, we gotta eat some noodles.
Yep, we bought like 4 noodles, so we get 2 each. As you can see, I got mine.
Yep. And I got mine.
Yep. So I'm gonna start off with the first one. First one.
Yeah, steak. Yeah, we say the special one. Yeah. So.
Yep. So y'all go ahead, sit back, relax, get your popcorn.
Woo. Yeah, that looks like.
Yep. We already showed y'all, so. So let's go ahead and eat, man.
Yep.
Oh shoot. Dang it. That makes a big old mess.
God.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, shout out to everybody who subscribed to our channel.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Shout out to everybody that subscribed to our channel.
We already got 100 views on our first video and 10 likes.
So we're gonna try to eat all these 2 noodles by ourselves. Sure.
Delicious.
You know
what I'm saying? Look, thank y'all for loving our videos, because that means we can eat. Let us know what y'all want us to eat next, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. We want to hit 100K, not 100K, 100 subscribers by tonight.
Forget that, 1 million.
Yeah, 1 million subscribers, man.
1 million subscribers by tonight and 0 likes, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you hit the like button, the dislike button, all that, and share the video. Yep. It's delicious, man.
Yeah. These noodles ain't even spicy, man.
Oh God, it looks so red.
Oh God, it's so red. It's not even spicy. I'm sweating though. Yeah.
It's probably because the heat.
Oh yeah, that's probably cool.
I see your forehead sweating. Oh man, I can't wait to eat that second one. Cause we made that second one a little special. We add steak to it. You know what I'm saying?
We got some steak, potatoes, onions. Man, yeah, our sister made it, man.
Yep.
She made that.
Shout out to her. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But we made the noodles though. You know what I'm saying? We trying to grow this channel. We just started.
Oh God.
Hey,
we just started 2 days ago.
Yep, we did some hardcore promoting, so please give us credit.
Yep. We're gonna get YouTube famous soon. I bet you that.
Let me repeat that. We gonna get YouTube famous. Okay, what y'all say? We know.
What you say, man?
Listen to him.
Oh man. Ooh, I'm sweating, man.
Oh God. It's a lot of noodles for just a couple cents.
Oh God. Look. We're gonna pay 58 cents for this stuff.
So that's why we got 2 each.
Yep, 58 cents each.
Y'all hear it was 50-something cents. So you could be homeless and still make a YouTube channel and eat. Hopefully y'all can see us good because we recording from the back camera.
Oh God.
We try to make sure that y'all can see us before doing all this nonsense. But you know what I'm saying? Pretty sure y'all can see it. I spit it back out because it's hot. Dang, you almost gone.
I'm gone, man. I know y'all can see this, but I'm almost done.
Yeah, he eat like a pro.
Like a pro, man. If you guys still watching this video, just comment and say, Mukbang Brothers. Just comment below and say Mukbang Brothers.
If you watch this whole video, just comment Mukbang Brothers Gang.
Yeah, Mukbang Brothers Gang, man.
I repeat, Mukbang Brothers Gang. Stop playing with us. I'm sweating.
I'm sweating too, man. Yeah, y'all see I'm sweating. Look at that.
Oh God, boy.
No.
This is not no joke.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I think he gonna wait for me before you eat that second one.
Yeah. Ooh, that got my eye right there. Oh man.
I'm literally eating as fast as possible. Yeah, it's still not.
I think I'm crying. Oh man. Yeah. We hope you guys like the video, man.
Oh, for real, man. Like, if y'all really like it, everything we love.
If we can hit 1K subscribers, we'll give away a $25 gift card. Oh God.
And guess what? We ain't talking about 125 gift card. We ain't talking about 2. We talking about 5 of them.
Yeah, 5 of them, God.
So 5 of y'all will win a gift card. Stop playing with us.
5 of them.
You know what I'm saying? You can use the $25 gift card to buy stuff for us if you want.
Oh.
And you ain't got much juice in here. What the heck?
Oh, I'm sweating, man.
I'm all done with this one.
I don't know why I'm sweating. I'm done too, man. I'm all done.
Yep.
One down, one to go.
Now, y'all saw on the camera, this one's a little different.
Yep.
It got that beautiful steak.
Yeah, got some steak, onions,
Yep.
and potatoes.
Yep. This is not no regular noodles.
Yep. So, I was about to eat all this.
I'm starting off with the steak.
Oh, man, it's good.
Steak, man. I'm putting.
I put a lot of onions in my noodles.
Oh yeah, by the way, if y'all hear all kinds of crazy background noise, you know what I'm saying? Just
Just
ignore
that.
it. Just ignore it.
Yeah, just ignore it, man.
Just pay attention to us.
Just pay attention to our face. I know I'm sweating like crazy. Oh man, this is a big old steak.
They say good with that onion. Try it. Give it that delicious crunch. You got more potatoes than me.
Hey, what's up?
Here's some potatoes.
Take that.
Trying to holler it all up. That's it, boy.
Dude, fat.
Well. Oh man. We said something at the same time. Hey, you sweat. My stomach's sweating, oh God, boy. Oh man.
You sweating, man. God, this steak is pretty good.
Way better than the first noodles. Oh, y'all want us to rate these noodles 1 out of 10? I'll give it an 8.5 or something like that.
Yeah, like an 8.5.
You know what I'm saying? Sometimes we might change it up if we eat it again. You know what I'm saying?
Steak go. Steak.
If y'all love steak, hit that like button.
The steak ain't that chewable.
That's the good part. Ain't got that much fat.
Gotta take a shower to this, man. I'm sweating.
We stink.
We be walking a lot, man. We be walking almost every day. Shoes.
So, we walk every day. So the more friends we get, you would definitely catch us on the road.
God. Shout out to Nelson, man.
Yeah, he buff, man. Y'all don't mess with him. Stop messing with him.
Shoot. I'm gonna let you guys know that I'm not in the Illuminati.
Oh, yep. People think you live in that. It's just a tattoo.
It's just a tattoo, man. Just a tattoo.
Yep. Stop. Don't say Illuminati confirmed or nothing. Well, Jesus Christ.
Oh man. If you guys still watching this video, go ahead and dislike the video if you're really watching it.
Oh God, wait.
Yeah. Go ahead and dislike the video.
If you're still watching, hit the dislike button. You know what I'm saying? That will let us know that you watched.
Oh man.
So if you actually watch this whole video, you took time out of your day to watch us.
Oh God.
It's ridiculous.
That's a big thank you.
We never seen such a thing.
Oh God.
Weird.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We really trying to get YouTube famous.
But yeah. you guys can go ahead and share the video. Just give us a shout out, man.
Tell all your friends and family and haters about our videos.
You gotta share it, man. You gotta share it.
There should be a share button. It says share. You can share on Facebook, Twitter, all that.
Instagram.
Wherever you got friends, family, haters on, share on there.
Oh man, that's that so much.
I'm low key beating you.
Oh my goodness. Look at this.
Yeah, I'm about right
Yeah,
here.
a little bit, man.
He beat me on the first one.
This is that steak.
That steak don't play. Oh no. I feel full low key.
Oh man.
But this heat.
Damn, he's sweating.
Oh God.
Nigga sweating, man.
It's shiny head. I can't believe we did not get no drink.
Oh God.
What the heck is wrong with us?
What's wrong with us, man?
Please put us on blast. Call us ugly, stupid. Just make fun of us.
Just call us dumb in the comments, man. Just call us dumb.
Call us dumb. If you're still watching, call us dumb in the comments.
Just call us dumb, man.
Because we did not get nothing to drink. Them potatoes, them good.
Oh God.
All the potatoes?
I don't know about the steak. Yeah, I had no type of flavor. She was right. She had no type of flavor.
What's the line about that? The only good thing, it's not chewy.
Oh God.
You understand? You understand?
Oh man.
Sorry if we look disgusting because we sweating.
God.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm taking a shower for this, man.
That sweat is just gonna turn it mold. Black mold.
Yeah. Oh shoot, I think about done, man. I'm about full.
I'm gonna finish mine up real quick.
I think he beat me.
I beat him. He got a whole full plate.
Yeah. This dude can eat on God. Man.
I thought he was gonna beat me at first on everything.
On God.
You know what I'm saying?
On God. Oh man.
These things are literally full as hell. You can be full for just $1. Buy 2 of them. Add whatever you want. Add whatever you want to add to it.
On God.
You can add onions,
Anything.
chicken, beans, black beans, all kinds of things. Add your own sauce.
I failed. I failed, guys.
Look at him.
I'm so full. Look at this. I can't eat this. I can't eat all this. Shoot.
As y'all can see, hold on. Brother number 1, boom.
Brother number 1 wins.
You know what I'm saying?
I failed.
Yep. But hey, this ain't no challenge. You know what I'm saying?
Ain't no challenge.
Y'all just came to watch us eat.
Yep. That's what it's called, mukbang.
Yeah, mukbang. It's not no challenge thing. It's to eat.
Just eat, man.
But you know what I'm saying? This your boy, the Too Busy Mukbang Brothers. Till then, y'all stay tuned to the next video. Till then, this is your boy Cameron.
This is your boy JC.
Peace.